Hello, everyone. This is Jillian Verdun from JMV Financial Services, the Profit Strategist, bringing tips and tricks to improve your financial situation for the new year. I'd like to thank you again for tuning in and listening to us today. We get to talk about everybody's non-favorite topic, but it seems to come up pretty often, especially recently, and it is, what should I do if I owe back taxes? First and foremost, the IRS is the worst people to owe outside of the student loan people because they charge daily compound interest. So if you can avoid from owing them, that would be the best. But if for some reason you do, as you can imagine, there is little in this world that is more stressful than owing the Internal Revenue Service a significant amount of money in back taxes. If you get on the wrong side of the IRS, they can turn your financial life into a nightmare. Of course, that is not really their agenda. They just want to make sure they collect what's owed to them by taxpayers. If you currently owe back taxes to the IRS, you are probably feeling the pinch. You might be wondering what alternatives you have at your disposal to remove the pressure of this debt. The good news is you don't have to panic, first of all. You do have ways you can settle your debt before the IRS starts coming after your paycheck, bank account, or assets. Just don't ignore them, okay? First one is how to deal with the IRS regarding back taxes. As long as your intentions were not fraudulent, there really is no need to fear dealing with the IRS over back taxes. Even if it's been years since you filed, there are remedies. Since this is a step-by-step process, we want to take you through it as such. Step 1, gather your tax documents. If you intend to make things right with the IRS, you will need to prepare all of your missing tax returns. To do that, you will need to collect all relevant tax documents. That would include W-2s, 1099s, bank or investment statements, mortgage statements, receipts for business expenses, etc. If it has been years, there is a good chance some documents will be missing. If so, try your best to get copies from outside parties. If that doesn't work, try your best to reconstruct the information as accurately as possible. The effort will matter to the IRS. Also, you can request a transcript from the IRS if it's something that was reportable under your social or EIN. Step 2, file your returns. The sooner you prepare and file your missing tax returns, the better. It will stop interest and late fee charges. It would also give you peace of mind. If you cannot find the forms you need from the past years, you can contact the IRS and they will get you what you need. Step 3, pay what you can. When you file your past due tax returns, you should try to pay as much of your debt as possible. This will help stop the flow of some interest charges and perhaps late penalties. It will also show the IRS you are willing to make an honest attempt to make things right. Start negotiating with the IRS. Once the IRS has your returns and know where things stand, they will start sending you bills and notices. This will open the door for possible debt settlement negotiations. The first thing you want to do is ask the IRS to waive penalties. If you offer viable reasons for not filing, they might cooperate, saving you lots of money in the process. When you have your target debt on the table, you can request an installment payment plan. And at this point, you have 3 options, and they include requesting a short-term payment plan, which is 120 days or less, requesting a long-term payment plan, which is up to 6 years, or asking for hardship relief in the form of an offer in compromise, also known as OIC, or currently not collectible, which is CNC status, which means you're not able to pay on the debt that's outstanding. If you are ready to address your back taxes, we are more than happy to help. A little help might be all you need to square things up and get back on track with the IRS. Again, thank you for listening today, and please follow us on your favorite podcast. Bye.